Alright, good afternoon YouTube. I'm Ogif, this is Rage, and it's a brand new year. Welcome to my channel. So the whole idea of releasing this video came to me when SR petrol pumps reached out to me asking me what my New Year's resolution for 2018 would be. And while I've shared that on my other social media handles, Instagram and Facebook and Twitter as well, I haven't really shared that on YouTube at this point. And I decided to give that a crack as well. So with regards to road safety, I think there's a lot of people out there who use their high beams a lot when commuting, whether it's within the city or on the highways. And it's not only an inconvenience to the drivers or riders ahead of you, but also to the people in the opposite lane. And my New Year's resolution is to not use my motorcycle high beam until really required, until the roads aren't really well lit, and until I really can't see what's in front of me and need that extra lighting power, so to speak, to be able to see what's going on. But releasing a New Year's resolution for SR petrol pumps also got me thinking that I should really share my other New Year's resolutions with you guys also. So here goes. I'm not someone who's big on New Year's resolution. I think having an annual goal is more important than a New Year's resolution, because we all know how well we keep to New Year's resolutions, don't we? And what I've learned is probably the best way to achieve goals is to actually physically write them down and keep them in front of you until they're actually achieved. So I am going to make that extra effort to write down what I want to do in this year and keep it in front of me to remind me throughout about what needs to be done and how far away from achieving it I am. Why is he honking? There's no one ahead of him. Yeah, so I thought I'd share that with you in this vlog as well, to give you an understanding of what I'm aiming to achieve in 2018. So here goes.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
New Year's resolutions all around. We're starting with Matlani Sa. Matlani Sa, what's your New Year's resolution?
Lose a little weight, I guess. Be a more responsible driver. Look at the Lamborghini. Pass by. Nice car. You guys didn't notice there was a Lamborghini? Lose a little weight. Learn how to do a backflip. Be a little less baby.
Learn how to do a backflip?
Why not?
How far are you with that?
I can
roll.
Jump yet. So now the flip.
Can you roll forward at least? Like roll forward?
Yeah, I can do a front
Can you
flip.
like right now?
Be a little less bewafa.
Is that possible?
I'm in a 2-year relationship.
Man can always
Okay, fine.
I guess that's it, man.
Okay, thank you.
I'm looking forward to it.
So that is Sahil Matlani of Bewafa fame. Now we've got
Dylan's dating tips.
Dylan from Dating Tips fame. Dylan, what I... Oh, you wanna... he's gonna do his shit now. What is your New Year's resolution for 2018?
My resolution is to eat good food, go to newer places, and try and stay fit. That's about it.
That sounds similar.
And finally we have the one guy who's traveled the most from us.
Oh really?
He's done the most kilometers in 2017 from the entire group. You got Wreck It Ralph.
I have very simple goals for 2018. One is to become thin. Unfortunately, that's one of the goals. And the other is to save a lot of money. Very important, kids.
Ankit will be proud of you, I think.
And say no to drugs.
Say no to drugs.
And also stay in school.
Hey, why? Your New Year's resolution is say no to drugs.
Yeah.
It's turning into a bad day. Okay, that's all for this part of the resolutions video.
drugs before 2017.
Yeah, I don't know what he was doing in 2017. But I think we'll leave that for after the video discussion. Goodbye.
We now return to your regular programming.
give you an understanding of what I'm aiming to achieve in 2018. So here goes. Goal number 1 is to be a little more active on social media. For those of you who know me and who follow me on Instagram and check out my stories, you guys know that I really don't get out that much. It kind of allows me to do what I want to do versus do what society deems as cool or in or whatever. And the more people I get to know, the more I start to love my motorcycle, because humanity is flawed. But what I'm trying to say is that social media has helped me connect with people to the extent I want to connect with them. I get to interact with so many different people from so many different places without really having to get out of my house sometimes. So I want to be posting a little more frequently, and that doesn't necessarily mean on YouTube only, but if you're not following me on Instagram, on Facebook, and on the Twitter as well. Yep, I'm gonna explore Twitter also. So I'm gonna leave links in the description for all of these 3 social media platforms and my handles on them. Go ahead and follow me if you aren't already. And Instagram stories, I use that a lot. So you can follow my day-to-day escapades on Instagram. Goal number 2 is to be a little more focused on my health. Now, it's not that I fell ill a lot in 2017. It was a great year health-wise, but it's just that I never really got to do a lot of stuff that I used to do previously, which was football and, believe it or not, running marathons. I plan on being a little more frequent with football sessions with my friends and even with my club, if possible. And probably using that gym membership which I took up as well. Checking out the camera, is he? Yeah, goal number 3 is to travel a bit more. I know I didn't do a lot of rides last year, so Gujarat is on the cards, Delhi is on the cards, and probably somewhere central I think would be a good place to go. Ladakh, not really sure this year, man. It all depends on my leaves and on the motorcycle, but yeah, we'll talk about that later. So that's goal number 3, travel a lot more, or travel a bit more. Well, let's just say travel for now. And finally, goal number 4 is to do a bit more of what I like to do. Now, I was on a lot of other people's agenda last year. I did a lot of things they wanted me to do, which may not have necessarily been bad, but while it kept me active, it might have not kept me happy at the end of the day. And I'd rather be doing things that I want to do, even if that means just sitting around the house, lazing around. But yeah, I'm not that kind of a person. But I'd rather do things which make me happy at the end of the day versus do things which other people want me to do, which make them happier than it would me. So do more things that make me happy. And along with that, I want to be able to challenge myself as well to do things which I otherwise would have not done, but would have liked to do as well. So yeah, not just stay within my comfort zone and do things which I'm happy doing, but get out there a little bit and do things which I otherwise would not have. Now, I know most of you must be wondering why that red shift light is blinking all over the place when I'm really not revving the engine that much. Well, ever since I installed a certain device which is connected to the ignition switch on this motorcycle and the ECU, some of the electronics have been going berserk. So need to get that figured out, or need to just get it removed altogether. But more about that later in another video. So that's it. That's my... Wow, you're a smart little guy, aren't you? Texting and driving. If you're wondering whether I forgot what's mentioned in the title, well, I haven't. I know I've said there's a giveaway, and let me share the instructions of how you can participate in the giveaway. Let's do this. Alright, so this is what's up for grabs in the giveaway. It's a Bluetooth system from ASG which you can place inside your helmet. It allows you to answer calls, it allows you to listen to music, and if you've got a fellow rider who's got a Bluetooth system that's compatible with universally compatible Bluetooth headsets, then you can connect this to that headset and be connected through the ride as well. I've used it. My twin brother has used it as well on his rides. It works. It does what it says it's supposed to do. Don't expect it to be as good as a Sena or any other high-end Bluetooth system, but for the price you would normally pay for this, which is around 2,000 or I think 1,800 from what I saw online, it definitely does the job. All you need to do is just 4 things. Okay, 3. Alright, I'll make it easy. All you need to do is just 2 things. Number 1, go ahead and follow the links in the description, so follow them on Facebook and on Instagram. And number 2 is to share this video on Facebook using the hashtag Dear2018 and sharing your New Year's resolution for road safety as well. Now I'm going to select one winner for this later this month, and I'll release that in a video as well. But in case you don't win this Bluetooth headset, SR Petrol Pumps is giving away Amazon vouchers to a few lucky winners as well. So there's still a chance for you to win something at least. You can go ahead and start sharing the video right away, and I'll start making a note of the entries. Just like last time, we'll pick a random winner out of all the entries, and may the best person win. Again, thank you all for supporting the channel last year, and I hope you guys are here to stay this year as well. There's a lot in store, and I plan on doing a lot more giveaways with all of the stuff that I get sent. As always, at least wear your helmets while riding your motorcycles and ride safe. It's a freaking jungle out there. Goodbye.